Good morning! I'm Mara Ammons and I'm here at SiteOne Landscape Supply to talk about water-wise gardening. Follow these 4 easy steps to make sure you're being water-wise. First, add organic matter to your soil. So the native soil, which is what was already there, you take 50-50 of compost, manure, leaves, something like that to add some texture to your soil. This will help it retain water. Step 2, watering practices. Watering down to the roots is the best way to be water-wise. Incorporate drip irrigation or soaker hoses to the plants that you're wanting to water. So step 3 is adding 4 to 6 inches of mulch. Mulch is awesome. It retains the moisture, it makes sure that the weeds are at bay, and it just makes everything look nice and tidy. So step 4, choose what and where to plant your plants. And choosing plants that have similar water needs for certain spaces is really being water wise.